Just wanted to share with you my new dust collection shroud for my drill press, made from scraps in the shop. I made a harness to go around the column of the drill press. Hitched a dust hose up to it with a strap so that it stays on when the dust collection gets turned on. I'm hitched up to a 3 horsepower whole shop dust collection system, so there's a lot of CFM going through here, and I think that's what you need to have a really effective dust control on any tool. What I did is start out by getting a 3-inch white PVC drainage tee at Home Depot, and then a 4-inch electrical gray union. Now, by putting a taper on the end of this union, a 5-degree taper, it'll fit perfectly over this 4-inch quick connect dust collection fitting. And the 4-inch union fits really nicely on the 3-inch outlet on the T. I put a screw in there to keep that on. Now, I also made a little piece to go on the outside of the PVC. It's cut from a appropriate size plastic jar with some Velcro. It just sticks right on there and makes for a better dust collection. Now, this jig can be moved up or down the column simply by loosening these knobs here, and it can be placed anywhere you want to put your drill press table, up or down the column. So let's hitch it up and see how effective it is, or let's start it up and see how efficient it is. I think you'll like it. Pretty efficient system. It's about 99.9% of the dust. And this can be loose. These can be loosened like this. You can move this in and out so you can change your drill bits and then move it back. So it's pretty efficient. Hope you like it. Hope you can use that design. Have any questions? Just let me know and I'll answer them. Thanks.